keep them from falling off the table. And we can see that this one is definitely a spangled. The first obvious sign is those two central tail feathers are white. That was the clue. Wasn't quite sure yesterday, but I was suspecting. But what really sealed the deal for me was here on the back. These little shoulder feathers, they have two colors, repeating colors. White tip, dark tip, then white stripe, and then dark again. So that is that's going to be a spangle color. That will be cool. Okay, so one mystery down. What is the other mystery? Are you male or female? Now, I was the first person on YouTube to make a video on how to tell male and female budgies when they're babies, but it's not for when they're this little. This is still too young. I don't know yet, but I will know soon. And the other mystery we don't know yet, is he blue, sky blue, or cobalt? Okay. Alright, here's my lace wing. Her eyes are starting to open for the first time. Just little tiny slits, not much. She's still blind. She's getting down on her back, and her little tail is starting to come in, but mostly her wings are coming in, and her shoulder. And it's like on baby birds, the shoulders, these little shoulder pads right there, they wiggle so much I can't focus. Yeah, you can see it there next to my hand. And the wings come in first, and little parts on the head, little tiny. Originally I was thinking of naming her Bullet the Second, if her personality is like bullets. But I think I have a great backup name for her, since I do know this is a female for sure. And that'll be that. It'll be, Lacey. I think that's perfect. And then we've got the youngest. I think he's gonna poop. Who's also the most wiggly. Every time I feed him, he falls over backwards. I don't know why. It's got a little bit of black dots on the top of his head there. That came in first. And a little bit of black on the wings. And his down feathers are coming in. That's about it. These guys just ate, so they're calm. They're rambunctious when they're empty, as you saw, or when they've just been recently fed. Okay, back to the big guy. He's definitely fuzzy butt stage, still Mr. Burns stage on the back of his head. Let's see, but not so much. It's starting to go away. And soon these little rump feathers, soon those little rump feathers will start to come in, and you won't see. You won't be able to see all the little fuzzy downs anymore. One thing I love about baby birds, it's so funny. Look at the size of those feet. Their feet grow in first, so baby birds have giant feet. I've noticed this with every species of bird out there. They get their adult feet before anything else. And then the feet are just oversized. Okay, I gotta put him back in the brooder now. Put him with everybody else. Hope you guys like the short update on the babies. Bullet the Budgie. Gouse the Budgie. Minion. Minion. Do you want a bath? Do you want the bath? Yes, I think you do. You've been fluffing. Do you want a bath? Do you want the bath? Do you want the bath? Minion, do you want a bath? Yeah, see, he fluffed. You want a bath? Good, Budgie. Time to take a bath. It's slightly warm water. No biting. Hey, what was that for? No biting. Hey, you're mean. Minion's going swimming. He's dirty. Get cleaned, Budgie. Minion's all dirty. Come on, swimming. Come on. Come here. Come on, Minion. Are we done? Are you finished? Is that it? No, not yet. Come here. Are you done? You want some more? Oh, the babies are distracting him. These babies are distracting. Is that it? Are you done, Minion? I think that's it. I think we're finished. Yep, we're done. He's gone.